You're watching real-time police incidents, bringing you unfiltered footage straight from the source. February 17th, 2024, Los Angeles, California. A stolen vehicle, a high-speed chase, a K-9 deployment ends in hospitalization. This video contains official footage and public information released by the LAPD. No commentary, no edits, just the raw footage as it happened. Let's roll it.
7 out of 17. Show me following the code 37 vehicle going eastbound on San Vicente, approaching Olympic on a license plate. Requesting backup, airship, and a supervisor.
769.
Any in the vicinity. 787 is requested a backup air unit and a supervisor following the code 37 eastbound San Vicente, approaching Olympic. Repeat the plate.
7817 license plate. Only one occupant in the vehicle.
7817 is found the code 37 plate. With one occupant.
7 out of 17 showing southbound on Curson. Oh, TC as well.
Cruise 17 southbound Crenshaw, do you need an RA?
Hey!
Correction, Curson. 7817, need an RA?
Deputy Walker, I have the suspect running eastbound through the houses, not the Chris.
Hey, don't fucking move! Clear. Where'd he go? Get the fuck back here! Give us out.
We are searching for a suspect and are preparing to use a police dog. For your safety, please go inside your home or business and stay inside until we have completed our search. To the person or persons who are hiding from the police, make your location known to us immediately. Put down all weapons, come out with your hands raised, and follow directions. If you do not, a police dog will be used to find you. When the dog finds you, do not move or you may be bitten. You have 1 minute to surrender. Departamento de la Policía de Los Ángeles. Buscamos a un sospechoso y estamos preparados para enviarlo a la policía. Su seguridad, entre su casa y negocio, permanezca dentro hasta que nosotros hayamos recogido. A la persona o personas que se esconden de la policía, háganos saber dónde se encuentran inmediatamente. Coloque todas sus armas en el piso, salga con las manos arriba y siga nuestras instrucciones. Si no lo hacen, usaremos a un perro policía para que lo encuentre. Cuando el perro lo haya encontrado, no se mueva, pues podría morderlo. Usted tiene 1 minuto para rendirse.
During the subsequent canine search, the dog located Jimenez as he emerged from the rear of the residence in the 1200 block of Maslin Avenue, resulting in a canine contact. During the canine contact, Jimenez wrestled with the canine, refused to surrender, and fled on foot once again.
That way? Two and 15, let me know when you're in position so I can start. What? Oh, over here. Let go of him! Plus! Hey, let's go! Let go of my dog! Let go of him! Let go of him! Let's! Let go of him! Let's! Let go! Let's! Let's! Let go of him! Let's! Let go! Let go! Let go! Let's go!
He's over!
Hang tight, hang tight. I'm with you, Dan. I'm with you.
Let go!
Get down!
Hold on. Don't run! Do not run!
Get down!
Get down on the ground!
Turn around!
Down on the ground!
Turn around! Turn around!
It's okay, put him down, just put him down. I'm gonna cover you with a handcuff. On the
Hey!
ground!
Hey!
On the ground!
Get on the ground!
On the ground. Okay, just go ahead and holster. Just go ahead and holster and you're gonna handcuff. On the ground! On the ground! You ready?
Bro,
Don't move. Don't move. Don't move. Don't move. On the ground. There you go. All the way down.
get on the ground.
All the way down.
Turn around! Turn around!
If you appreciate transparent, unfiltered footage, like, share, comment, and subscribe to stay updated with real-time police incident videos. No edits, no commentary, just the facts.